Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadget glitches in simple, straightforward ways. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with Verizon wireless chargers, that pesky blinking red light. If you're dealing with this in 2025 and it's driving you crazy, you're in the right place. We'll cover what it means, why it's happening, and how to fix it quickly. First off, let's talk about what a blinking red light typically indicates on a Verizon wireless charger. In 2025 models, this light often signals an error, like overheating, a poor connection, or even an incompatible device. It's Verizon's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Don't panic though. Most of these issues are easy to resolve with a few basic steps. Step 1. Start by checking your charger's placement. Make sure your device is centered on the charging pad. If it's off-kilter, that could cause the red blinking. Also, ensure there's no debris or case interfering. Sometimes a thick phone case can block the connection. Give everything a quick clean with a soft cloth. Next, if that doesn't work, try restarting your device. Power off your phone or whatever you're charging, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This can reset any temporary glitches. Now, check for software updates. In 2025, Verizon chargers might integrate with smart home systems, so head to your device's settings and update any firmware if needed. If the problem persists, it could be a hardware issue. Unplug the charger for a few minutes to let it cool down. Overheating is a big culprit. If you're still seeing that red light, test with another compatible device to rule out problems with your original one. And remember, if all else fails, reach out to Verizon support. They offer quick diagnostics for 2025 models. There you have it. Simple fixes for a frustrating problem. By following these steps, you should get your charger back up and running in no time. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay charged up.